Mr. Prabhudeva sir को देखोगे stage पे, I think he is the icon, he is the dancing star of our country. Not only our country, I think the world. I always believe that he is better than Mr. Michael Jackson, and he is ours. So I think he is really a dancing icon on stage.
मैं actually ज़्यादा detail में नहीं जाना चाहूँगा कि हम stage पे क्या करने वाले हैं. I think that is best experienced when you're watching it. But ये बहुत मतलब हमने सोचा है कि there has to be a certain respect that is paid to the industry, and whatever most of the fun that we want to have is at each other's expense, which is Shahid and myself.
We are very, very excited to be associated with IIFA. IIFA has always been extremely special in all our lives, and so is this film, so it seems like a perfect association. And we have some really fun stuff coming up on this IIFA weekend in terms of our association with Teri Meri Kahani.
Absolutely wonderful to once again be at another press conference for IIFA. As we met the last time and they put the pressure of and the reminder that I'm hosting the entire show, so it's a lot of pressure, but I'm looking forward to it. We've been, me and Farhan will be co-hosting, and we've been doing a few sessions and we've been enjoying ourselves a lot. जी मैं बिल्कुल कमीना डांसर हूँ, मैं सिर्फ डांसर ही कमीना नहीं हूँ, मैं काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें कमीनगी से करता हूँ और मैं पूरी तरह कमीने वर्ड को ओन करना चाहता हूँ. मैं नहीं चाहता कोई भी और उसको ओन करने की कोशिश करे. Well, me and Prabhu sir have been meeting together and I'm a huge fan of his as a dancer, and I was very, very excited when I was told that he will be choreographing the entire show. In fact, everybody's performances, Priyanka, me, everybody else, I think Ranveer is performing, I think Sonakshi is performing. The whole show is being done by Prabhu sir, and so it's very, very exciting, and I think to do South songs being choreographed by him is well, it's very exciting. जी हम उसको जितना आबाद कर सकते हैं करने की पूरी कोशिश करेंगे और होपफुली सिंगापुर की ऑडियंस उसमें हमारा साथ देगी और इससे ज़्यादा प्रेशर आप हम पर मत डालें, लेकिन हमें खुशी है इस बात की that there are so many younger people who are also going to be there. Of course, people like the Khans and the Bachchans are legends and they will always be missed, but we will try and make it young and fun and keep it cool.
इस बार आईफा का जो हमने जिस तरह से शाहिद तो पूरे के पूरे आईफा बन चुके हैं, इस बार परफॉर्मेंस भी कर रहे हैं, पूरा शो भी होस्ट कर रहे हैं, क्या क्या नहीं कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अपनी तरफ से हम लोग जितना भी एंटरटेनिंग बना सकते हैं आईफा को बनाएंगे. अच्छा, इस बार एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग एक्ट कर रही हूँ मैं. एक ट्रिब्यूट है जो मैं कर रही हूँ एक ऐसी एक्ट्रेस के लिए जिनको लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड मिल रहा है, तो रेखा जी के लिए मैं ट्रिब्यूट कर रही हूँ.